This man said, "Why are you all Igbos?" I guess one Nigerian. Okay, let me answer your call. Let me answer the not your call rather, a call of my brother. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello. How are you?
I'm good, and you? Longest time.
Yeah, it's been long. I just, I think I was just going through your platform, and I saw that you are still on. Are you still online?
Yes, I'm online. Everybody's hearing your voice.
I thought. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I just want to chip in, some, few things. Regarding, some of your discussions. I think, I know, they are wide. Starting from the crazy one in France, and then going to the one that called himself the Seers, and then I just want to put some one or two together, and then let people understand certain things.
The floor is
and the one in France. Is it okay to start from the one in France?
Anyone, anywhere at all, start, no problem.
Okay. Yeah, briefly, let me just talk briefly about the one in France. Okay. That one is inconsequential.
Honestly,
I don't know why people listen to this person. I don't know what they gain from it. I don't know if their brain has been oversaturated. It just it surprised me that grown up men will stoop so low to be eating with the dog.
Honestly,
I just don't understand, because this is somebody that has nothing, practically nothing to offer, not even offering to contribute, to what we are currently doing, if I may put it that way.
Yeah.
And then you see some idiots, saying that, the individual is, saying the truth. What truth? And then let me leave it there. Because I just see that, they are just being myopic.
Honestly.
They are not faithful. They are not in search of the so-called agitation. They are, some of them may be DOS. Some of them might be, the disgruntled elements, that Simon has defeated. They just rearing their head, and then they now see somebody that they can, instead of them joining the actual, USB, they say, no, that is Simon, and they don't want to go to Nkere. They know Nkere is an idiot, a compound one, so they just decided not to go there and see the one that is shouting, thief, thief, thief. And then they say, oh, we can use this one. I think they just weigh their options and see that, the one in France can be easily manipulated. That's that. You see, the one that called himself Seer is the most stupid and foolish human being that I ever come across in this life. So thank God, that there was a time, that some, when he was shouting and begging that they want to kill him. Some people here in UK were trying to do something, to get in touch. Yeah. Thank God we listened to a voice of reasoning that said, that boy is a criminal, don't do anything for him. But we view the person as these are DOS people. Anybody that is, talking about saving lives and all those things, DOS, we call them, criminals. But, maybe because it's one of our friends, we say, okay, let us force ourselves into it. Let us see how it's going to pan out. But we discovered that, later Simon helped him, give him some money. This idiot was given money by Simon. And then we say, okay, let's see what, this boy. That was when he was calling, my PM and all those things. Yeah. And, the money has run out now. And Simon is no longer at the, and they now see, it's just like a case of, the cat is no longer at home, at home. And the mouse were just playing around. That's, the way I say the Seer. The Seer is the most dishonorable person I ever come across in my life. And, why, he's talking about, a person called Caterpillar. Whereas, Chiamaka is there. It's an example. What Chiamaka did not say about Simon,
thank you.
But Simon still forgive Chiamaka and bring him in. Why not criticize Chiamaka that said, Simon